on, guys? So today we're going to be installing a Billetworkz shift knob, changing out this OEM one. When I bought it, the shift knob was already cracking, and it's already loose, like it's already slides off. So I knew I needed to replace that quick. Shift knob. Actually a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. It's like a legit pool ball weight. This little thing's got some weight to it. But it does come with the adapter, the shift knob, of course. And it also comes with the zip tie and 4 lock screws. 6-speed for the win, buddy. Let's go! We're gonna be starting with removing the shift boot. So I've never done this before. This is my first GTI, actually. This is a 2022 Mk8 GTI. This is the S trim. So, I mean, we'll see how it goes. I saw a video, you just lift this bitch up, but... Oh, there you go. There you go. This should just pop up. Yep, there you go. Oh yeah, see, it was already broken. Whoever owned this before, just shove this bitch back. Most people will probably sit here and pry these out. I'm just gonna cut it from up here. It's not that big of a deal to me. Just makes it easier. It's broken on there. This is what I need to take off. The rest of that plastic just completely crumbled when I took that off. There's one hole right there, and there's one right under it. And those... Billetworkz is probably like 4 times heavier, if anything, maybe more. Like I said, I'm just going to be cutting the edge of this instead of trying to pry that shit out with the screwdriver. Right. But it should be fine, regardless. The good thing is we got it out. Got it out. If you care how this looks, it's not too bad. Like, we'll see how it works right now. I also don't have Loctite, so these screws, I hope they just don't fall out. The little zip tie it comes with. Line it up the way you want it to be seen. I don't know if you can see it, but just line it up with these 2 lines going in. That's how we're locking it in. It's a little crooked, but you can adjust it. It's not, I didn't make it that tight yet, but as you can see, the amount we cut off isn't too bad. It still grips. So we'll see how that is. It's not like I'm pulling on the shift boot anyways, so it shouldn't just fall out. Have that in. There we go. That this doesn't go loose on us. Be very careful with these fucking screws because they're tiny. Very tiny. There you go. So let's go ahead and put the shift boot back down. Make sure you click in. And that's how she's looking. Now we got a shorter, much shorter shifter. This thing's nice, man. Oh, that feels really good. Oh, much better compared to this. Here's your stock shifter knob, aftermarket Billetworkz. These are pretty good price compared to shift knobs out there. It's sick. I like the simplicity of it. It's nice. I like it. It's like a pool ball. There's your shift knob. Really easy install, actually. So, if that helped, thanks for watching.